The recent market meltdown, notably in crypto, is disappointing given the bullish news from Jerome Powell in the FOMC meeting, cut 25% basis points. Why is the market falling? Why is XRP falling, Bitcoin falling, Cardano, Pepe? The market is falling. What's happening? My plan? Doing what with my trades? Where do I see this going? That's today's topic. Never consider my video financial advice. Pause the video to see my disclaimer, then start. Lucas tweeted, "Retail panics if we dip. Altcoins needed flushing. I'm too old to know what GG means if you didn't de-risk 2 weeks ago. Is it fortunate? I don't know. Good job." Hexacon. Start investigating high conviction alts in the next day or two if you've been waiting. Now, this is an opinion, not financial advice. But if you've been staring at the charts and thinking, oh, I really want to get my hands on XRP, Dogecoin, Solana, Tron, Avalanche, SHIB, all of these things that people have been super bullish on, look at them over the last 7 days. SHIB, Ton, Polkadot, down 20%, 15%. BitGet token up 30%, Uniswap 20%, Pepe 23%. We discussed trade tokens. Guys, exchange tokens when you can. But look, the market is red everywhere. Guys, don't panic. I didn't order this exquisite dip. I explained so many times that I don't know when these events will happen. When the market is exuberant, what's easiest? Take money off table. When the market is fearful, like today, we can dollar cost average into open or waiting positions. I've wanted to increase my 1-inch position, right? I started this trade in the recent pullback and wish to add. It's down $100, 1%. I want to wait a little longer because I think decentralized finance will take off next year when crypto is more bullish in America. I wish to join this roll. We're lunk 2. It was a whim. That's down 59%. But these are isolated positions. We don't always time the exact tops and bottoms, but here when we come down 1 inch, we may have a double bottom formation. Looking at the charts, I may increase my 1-inch trade. We've got how many? I suppose we have 400, 0, 0, a good 200, 0, 0 will be added to this trade. Isolated market, 3x buy. Now, we've DCA'd into that position on a pullback, and ideally the bounce comes next. No assurances, but let's look. We have style. I started flaring the other day and want these pullbacks because it fits my DCA plan. As the pullbacks occur, I started the trade here. I increase to my holdings on pullbacks. Flare position is 200, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Tokens will be added. Open, lengthy, confirm. So our situation is even more open. If we bounce, it could be tremendous. I might add if we get lower. We also lost a little on the Dogecoin trade, but we still made $34,000 overall. I'm utilizing cross on this account, so liquidations are improbable, but we want a safeguard in case of severe downside moves. You can always add stop losses to determine how much you can lose if there's a significant surge to the downside. Please keep safe, as the flare position has a $3,000 margin we may lose. You can set your stop loss to lose that. Know how much you can lose in these trades. Guys, if you're looking for places to trade, we have BitUnext links down there. $5,500 in bonuses right now, over 1 million global users, 200 million in trading volume, 200 trading pairs. All you need is your email address, password, and BitUnext user agreement. Sign up, and gentlemen, BitUnext is accessible worldwide. Guys, there's serious opportunity to trade spot or futures. Casper trade, right? We made some money from it, but it's almost back to break even. Guys, see this? We pushed back and up. Everyone was thrilled and sought no profits. Everyone said, Connor, you're an idiot. The bull market's just starting. Why ever accept profits? So we sold the top of this short-term Casper rise and are down and down. We can repeat adding. Everything's fine. See this? We made Casper gains since we took some earnings. You know March 2022 is crucial. When did crypto outperform March 2022? Look around. Raising $1.8 trillion by easing. The Fed was 97% likely to lower rates before its announcement. The Fed pivot continued with its 25 basis point decrease, the 100th of 2024. Markets will price Fed decisions before they are announced. Thus, today's market drop was unrelated to the rate decision. This was due to the Fed's highly hawkish 2025 projection. As shown below, the Fed reduced their 2025 rate decrease outlook from 3 to 2, totaling 50 basis points. The Fed boosted its 2025 PCE inflation forecast from 2.1 to 2.5. The market had its largest panic sell since the yen carry trading crash. Small caps fell, Bitcoin sank due to momentum, but today marked a significant reversal. In short-term volatility, sentiment usually trumps fundamentals. So folks, get ready for this. Bitcoin itself, I think all this news is good for Bitcoin. Asset risk is less bullish. Bitcoin is hazardous, but altcoins are far riskier. That's why I think the huge panic sell-off is happening now. Again, we were surprised. We take profits consistently when the market is exuberant because we don't know what will happen. Remember, two concepts. 2021 could be the biggest bull market I've ever seen, or 2021 could be the end. Always remember the bull market tops around November and December. We're a year early. Just know that everything is possible in this market, gentlemen. Prepare for that. All Uphold users can now access Ripple's first stablecoin, RLUSD. RLUSD works now. Trading is happening, and XRP's price has dropped. Guys, we pushed out of our bull flag and now perfectly retested. I'll repeat this for those who don't believe in basic TA. I don't believe in all the crazy TA people talk about. Data drives my TA, lots of support and resistance, right? We exited the bull flag, right? Learn why bull flags form to understand why basic TA works. We came down, retested the slope resistance flawlessly, and bounced. You could have found the ideal entry right there, fellas. I think the market will be fragile now. We'll see what crypto does after we figure out the market, stocks, and shares. Keeping Bitcoin above 100K is good, right? Bitcoin is dominating much more, hence alts are getting hit by this push. Okay, guys, expect this. Will you dollar cost average heavy? Will you panic sell? You make such decisions, but I've been making big profits. So now what? We either wait or find opportunities like today to average dollar cost. That's it, guys. Remember, V2Nex has over $5,000 in USDT waiting for you if you follow my link in the description to trade leverage or spot. No VPN or personal information is needed to sign up, only your email address. Check your terms of service and password here. BTCC offers up to $10,000 for first-time deposits, so 10% on initial deposit. I think it's important to have a variety of exchanges if you're trading in this market because you never know what could happen. You must have backups